डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Good morning, student. I welcome you all at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Jyotirmay Parishar. My name is Bijal Rawal, Assistant Professor Management, School of Commerce and Management Department. Today we are going to discuss on marketing, MBA Semester 2, Marketing Management, and our unit number is 2, Marketing Mix and Environment. First, we just go through with our topic outline. Introduction, marketing mix, marketing environment, definitions and concept, microenvironmental factors that can affect in our business, macroenvironmental factors that can affect. We should understand the pestle analysis. Introduction, marketing can be defined as any social and managerial process through which individuals and group achieve what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging product of values. There are both two side parties in the system of marketing. One is buyer and one is seller. To get goods and services is the objectives of the market, while profit maximizations and ultimately wealth maximizations is the objective of the industry. By exchanging this way, both accomplish their objectives. Buyers can buy product as per the requirement, as per the needs and want from market. They can buy that product or services, and on other side the seller sell their product or services to the customer as per their requirement. By exchanging this way, both accomplish their objectives. The communication from the industry side is known as a promotion, and the information taken by the industry is usually in the form of feedback. Customers give their valuable feedback to the industry so they can come to know about the product specifications and the requirement from the customer. As per their feedback, they can create that type of strategy that can improve their business. The term marketing involves a wide range of concept. It involves every activity from the productions of the goods to their consumptions. All tasks in between, such as the design, work, pricing, promotion, distributing, transport activities, warehousing, that's all activities are marketing activity. Marketing mix, goods marketing or a distribution process as per the customer demand. Special management focus as per the production line in meaningless if the goods are not sold. They can create lots of unit about that product, but in market, if customer don't like that product, or if the as per the customer requirement, if product is not designed, at that time goods are not sold as per the organization. So we should understand and we should create that type of strategy that can improve our unit selling as well as per the demand. The marketing mix involves the process of designing and merging different aspects of marketing to guarantee the success of the business and its goal. According to Philip Kotler, what is marketing mix? Marketing mix is the set of controllable variable that the firm can use to influence by the buyer's response. The controllable variable in the context refers to the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotions. 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotions. We had discussed in our past lecture. Marketing environment is more important in any organizations. They understand external or internal environment, so they can create that type of atmosphere or a strategy to survive in a competitive world. Environment refers to the totality of factors within which the enterprise functions. It consists of tangible and intangible factors which can be either controllable or uncontrollable. The factors can also be categorized into the macro environmental factors and micro environmental factors. The elements that make up the environment can be categorized into the macro factors which influence specifically the individual business organizations. It is macro factors, and the which impact the entire industry, that is our macro factors. It is important for every organization to consider carefully the environment in which it is operates. All companies are required to recognize, examine, keep track of the internal factors as well as the external factors, so they can evaluating how these factors could affect the company's product and services. Definition: Ring and Scroll said about the environment. The environment of business is made up of the all external elements. It comes into the contract with that may affect it, whether directly or indirectly. Gulick and George said about the environment: the environment contains external factors that continuously generate opportunity and threat for the business firm. Philip Kotler said about this: a company's marketing environment comprises the internal factors and forces that influence the company's ability to establish and sustain successful transactions and connection with the company's target customers. We should understand the environment, our outside environment and inside environments of our business. There are many pressure and control that are primarily outside the control of individual firm and their managers. According to Richman and Cooper, atmosphere and environment can affect to our organizations directly or indirectly. Macro environmental factors: public, suppliers, competitors, customers, and marketing channels. We will understand that factors in detail. Micro environmental factors, how it can affect our business, organization's internal environment. We should understand first organizational internal environment. The organization contains its own internal environment. This includes individuals, organizational structure, such as the different departments: product, promotion, distribution, different departments and levels. higher authority, lower level resources that can help, that influence the decision making of the marketing departments. So internal analysis is more important in any organization. Marketing channels. The marketing channels consist of the various institutions that enable the transaction and the physical exchange. Marketing channels serves three key purpose. What is that? Transactional, logistical, and facilitating. The marketing channels add value to the marketing efforts. If we are creating a marketing channel on a good way, we can create a valuable things to our organizations. Customers are also important in our decision making process. It's related to our marketing. We had already discussed, as per the customer's valuable feedback, we can come to know about how we create strategy about the product or services. Customers may buy for other creators or consumers or for a commercial purpose. The needs and requirements are at the center of marketing. We had already know customers' perceptions, customers' requirement, customers' needs and wants. They can communicate with each other customers, and as per the customers' feedback. Another one, come to know about our new product in the market. One customer said, yes, I have used that product or a services, it's really good. So another one can try, is it good for me or not? On that way, customer create and more number of customers for a particular organizations. So customer is more important. Competitors. Many marketing decisions globally can change due to the competitions and have changed. The way competitors serve consumers can influence the decision made by an organization's marketing department. Suppliers. The organizations collect raw materials and other accessories from the suppliers. Decisions regarding quality, quantity, pricing are largely based on the suppliers. Public. The marketing decisions can be influenced by the general public as per the requirement, as per the demand. They can create or add values that leads to our social marketing. We had already studied about that in our previous chapter or in our last lecture. The public includes various sectors such as financial, media, government. Citizen section, group of the people, local, general, internal audience, that all can affect to the organization's decision process. Macro environmental factors. How different macro environmental factors can affect our marketing choices. We understand the PISTEL analysis. P stands for political, E stands for economic, S stands for social, T stands for technological, L stands for environmental, E for environmental, and L stands for legal. We will understand. Pastel analysis is among the commonly used method for scanning the macro environment for a whole industry. We should analyze. The pastel analysis encompass political, economical, social, technological, environmental and legal factors that needs to be examined. How that is important? Because they can change or affect in our marketing choices. In competitive world, we have lots of choices. Why we should select that particular product? We have lots of option in market. So as per the customer's requirement, as per the base price, if we are providing good product with good price, as per their requirement, they can fulfill their requirements. Political factors first. The areas includes in political factors are labor law, tax policies, environmental law, trade and tariff, the regulations, political stability, and related factors. That all things can affect directly to our business. Economic factors. The economic factors have influence on the marketing process as price inflation to the product growth all depends on economic well-being of the society. As per the market analysis, as per the fluctuations our economic factors can affect in an organization. Social factors. Social factors includes the demographic characteristics, norms, customs, values of the populations within which the organizations operates. Social factors also affect in our organizations. We should create that type of strategy. We should analyze that as per the social factors, as per the customer requirement, as per the area, as per the culture where we are going to sell that product. We should create segment wise production or a selling unit or a product, so that can create good things to our organizations. So organization operates is more important. Technological factors. Technological factors includes how technology change, the rate of technological changes. Research and development activities can change. Automation, computerizations, innovations in technology. The technology several times defines the success or failure of a marketing. If we can miss or we cannot create innovations or we cannot able to emphasize that particular area, we will not achieve our target. So technological factor is more important. Environmental or ecological factors, how it will affect. Environmental or ecological factors includes elements, element changes, whether greenery, the ecological factors have a great impact on rain, which is very important for farming, especially in India. If we will not focus on greenery or weather element changes, if we are fail in that particular area, we will not help our environment. So it will directly destroy our business. So it is more important to create value about that factors. So in our organizations, every employees or in every department, they come to know about how on a personal way we can help directly to the environment. Environmental or ecological factors we had already discussed. Legal factors. How legal factors can affect our environment. Legal factors include the various kinds of laws such as the Company Act 1956, the Contract Act 1872, the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the Marginal and Restrictive Trade Practice Act 1969, the Competitions Act 2002, Commodities Act 1955, the Environmental Protection Act 1986. That's all are legal factors that can directly or indirectly to our organizations. So we should follow that legal norms also. Recently, another E has been added to the pestle analysis. Transforming it into the pestle analysis, the extra E represent the ethical factors. That all factors are important, but still ethical factor is more important in our organizations. Stipple analysis is another name for the pestle. The factors encompass ethical principle as well as the moral or ethical dilemma that may occur in a business context. It takes into the account aspects like fair trade, slavery act, child labor, along with corporate social responsibility CSR, which involves a business supporting local or societal objectives through volunteering or engaging in philanthropic activist or charitable initiatives. So ethical factor is also important in our analysis, that all factors is important and can affect in our environment, marketing environment. So we should understand and we should create all factors and creating a good atmosphere in our organizations. So in our organizations, anyone come to know about that all factors and we will value that. So in this lecture we understand macro environmental factors, how it will affect our organizations, and a macro environment. Pestle analysis. We will meet you again with new exciting topic. Till then, thank you.
स्वाध्यायः परः